Hello guys, and today we'll be making hot dog white wrap. First we will add in our oil and spread it all around. Next we are going to add in our small sausages so that they can cook. Once they have finished cooking, you can place them on the plate and put it to the side. Now we will add in our mixed egg and get some white wrap so that you can spin them around and coat them in our eggs. You can add as many white wraps as you want. Once they have cooked, you can flip them over. Add in your sauce of choice and then add in your sausage. Now roll them up. Serve. My thoughts on this snack was that it's super yummy and super easy to make. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!